So this is the first box that'll come out of your kit here. This is the Vigilant monitor box. You've got your model number, the voltage rating that the Vigilant is rated at, and then if you open it up, you should have your monitor at the bottom of the box, your negative power cable clamps, your positive power cable clamps, an ambient temperature, and one Vigilant sensor. We'll get into all those parts later in this video. So this box is your ELM sensors. So if you have the ELMs, this will be included in the BOM that you get with the Vigilant. Inside of this, you'll have 30 of these ELM wires. Each box will contain 30 sensors. And then in this envelope, there is some of these stickers for the back if cradles can't be used on your specific batteries. Underneath this cardboard is all of the ELM sensors. Inside of each individually wrapped bag, you'll have your ELM sensor and one cradle. This box is a Vigilant tab harness box. So there's 12 pairs of harnesses in this box. So each battery type will have different connections to the battery, but every system will include these tab harnesses. These ones are your negative harnesses, and then this one would be your positive. Last box is the Vigilant sensor box. So if you open this up, you'll have your pre-crimped RJ12 wires. You'll have a little pamphlet. Inside of the pamphlet is the black isolation stickers that you'll use to put over the bolt if you're mounting your cradles to unistrut. And underneath the cardboard is individually wrapped sensors. Each sensor is going to go to one cell or one block, depending on how you're hooking up the Vigilant system. Inside of this, you have an L bracket with the Vigilant cradle. Both of them have sticky tape. Then you have two IDCs in each sensor.